Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need admin rights and a stable power source. Do that first. Once signed in as administrator, check the physical power, cable, adapter, battery seating, and indicator LEDs. Next, open settings and confirm Windows is up to date. Updates often restore missing UI elements. Then, open Device Manager and locate system devices. Keep it open. Make sure to enable hidden devices and note any unknowns. These first actions confirm the environment and reveal whether the issue is system, driver, or UI related. Now you'll repair software components that control power options. First, uninstall and reinstall XP and Intel/AMD power drivers via Device Manager. Restarting after each change helps. Once restarted, open an elevated command prompt. Run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files, then run dism to restore the image. After dism completes, execute PowerCyg restore default schemes to bring back default plans. These commands target the Y. Corrupted system files or drivers can hide or disable power. Finish by restoring UI links and policy settings. Use an elevated PowerShell to re-register Start and Action Center or manually recreate quick actions if missing. Then inspect group policy and registry keys controlling power options. Make sure no policy disables sleep, hibernate, or shutdown. Once done, test from Start, Win+X, and Control+Alt+Del. If the problem remains, create a new user profile or roll back with System Restore. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to isolate drivers and repeat the repair steps there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.